Hey guys, welcome to Lancelot and Lance Fantasy Gaming. Oh Lord, that I think everyone's Lance and Ashley show, but that thing's gone now. Like, subscribe, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy store down link below. We are looking through Patreon of January of 2023. This is part four of seeing what is being released, what they're getting. If you like any of them, please leave it down in the comments below as well. Right now, we're looking at White Werewolf Tavern, and what they're having. Watch a little video of it because they don't like to do pictures, and I cannot put voice upon it. So we got Duckus. Looks like a knight or a fighter or a paladin too. But Katharina, these are pretty good prints as well. Assassin, Narcosis. But problem a lot of these are, even though they're cool, I don't like to print stuff that I can't use right away. I only print stuff that we need for the game. So if you need knight sets for the castle and stuff, there's your set of knights right there. They're $10. They're pretty good prints as well. I got a lot of stuff that I gotta paint that I haven't painted yet. So you got your Cobalt Slave sets. I like to use a different variety of cobalt. There's different color cobalt, and there's also winged cobalt as well. They're pretty good. There's regular cobalt sets. I think these cobalts are good, but they have to be small. So they're gonna, if they're 32 millimeter scale, I gotta cut that in half and resize it all, and you bust as well. Okay, next is Beastarium. Hopefully they released their stuff already. So we got the Adporants. Looks a lot like, if you guys want to have like Dark Souls or Bloodborne or Elden Ring type game, you need pieces. This is it. Beastarium is like one of the ones that you really do want to get for a lot of those. I actually will color this like a pustular sac from the neck for it, your dragon. So a lot of times, you can do a lot and freaking sword right through it, writing on it. So it's pretty gnarly, and it's pretty cool looking. So you have a lot of these guys walking around. The hell is that? Oh, it's just disgusting. Oh my god. I'm gonna print it. I painted a lot of these on the videos in the channel as well. So your vampires, your grotesque undeads as well. So you have these little suckers, little spike suckers, grab them and just uh it's something that if you guys want, the go for is $10. It's pretty cool, and they have a huge throwback too for $10 as well. That's gonna be pretty cool looking as well. Yeah, that is something like this. I'll paint for Halloween. I don't know what this whole year going to be. I need to plan it out. I know I have a lot of anime stuff I am painting right now for it. I'll have to look through all of them, but you get the gist of the idea. So this is the welcome pack for it. So that's the thing. So Beastarium, if you want to play Elden Ring and stuff like that, there's your thing. So Mammoth Factory. Let's say we got some goblins and stuff for January. So we got some marshes and mad lads. We get the Et. There's your goblin savages. They get that different variation of goblins they look like. I like the Pathfinder one a lot. I think one of those kind of cartoonish. But this one's pretty good. There's your hobgoblins. Yeah, hobgoblins have a weird story. They can be very civilized and they can be very savage-like as well. And there's some terrain pieces. So these are pretty cool looking as well. I do like that Hound a lot more. I have to figure out how to do it. Bugbear. Bugbear is also pretty cool looking as well. You got your flaming heads. Better looking flaming heads. I got barrels of eel. Oh god, just burst open a eel and freaking that thing comes out. Your man. So let's see. Great Grimoire. The Dark Metamorphosis. Let's see. I don't think. Then we got some of it. So we have some kind of a female insectoid fairy coming in a cocoon. So these artwork look pretty dark. So hopefully it'll look pretty good when it comes out fully. One page rules, $10. And play some of your Warhammer stuff and play some of these stuff. You can for it. Your January release or Age of Sigmar pieces as well. That is awesome. So if I'm doing a lot more like the Yenti for stuff like that, this would be pretty good as well. So rat folks, your rats folks, have a leash on rats. Barrels of rats, swarm of rats. Holy shit. This would be pretty good as well. But yeah, this is something that would be good. We got some looks like Imperial Riders and this Battle Sisters as well. So we got some Battle Sisters. So that's pretty cool. Now you're gonna get a lot of these at Games Workshop as well. So you're gonna have to find someone that makes it. Well, that looks pretty good. We got ships. You have little tokens as well that you can make for that. It's $10. $10. Tech 10 Forge Minis. I think they're doing no, I think they're doing Serpent's Blood. So we have adventurers, thieflings, and stuff. And you have your lizard folks over here. Oops. So we have looks like two lizard folk crying and one adventure right there for the altar. So we have a dinosaur holding a crystal. I know dinosaurs is in like one of the isles in the Forgotten Realms, but you can also put dinosaurs in your own games as well. Then you have your lizard folks. So your Triceratops. I don't know what you call that, but yeah, that looks pretty good. For Age of, we can also use it for Age of Sigmar as well. It's pretty cool, except for the adventures and everything. But these are pretty well made. You have your sacrificial cults. That is something that I need to print. You do a lot of sacrifices in our game as well. You have a little different ways of you can actually, have your character hold and stuff. You have your necromancer, warlock, deep displacer beast. Okay, crippling god. What we got for crippling god? This is for January. So we have Tainted Chapel. So, Papa Nurgle. So here's your terrain pieces. And you have I cannot read that with that font, Greater Demon of Plague. That looks like a big rock is right there. The sword. We have the brother, we have the priest or the cleric, another our paladin. Paladin Griffin, a boss. You have your plague demons. You can replace those for your games as well for Warhammer. Plague Knights or Age of Sigmars. You have your Plague Pastor. Then your Rot Sharplin. So those would be pretty good at your Rotlings. And your Griffin. And yours. Silver Dragon Knight. Silver Dragon Sisters. Tainted Brutes. And your Tainted High Priest. You got your Vomit Beast. Then we have the Delcanus Angel of Bar. So a lot of cool things. in your terrain pieces as well. So you want to have like a plague infested area. You're sure minis for you to use as well. And they're going all over again. So yeah, hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. We're doing part 6 in the following few days. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and our Etsy store. And leave down comments with me you guys really like. We'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.